First of all, can you able to hear me? You can message in the chat box if you have any doubts or anything related. Okay. Can you able to hear me? No responses from any? Okay, fine. Can consider as you can able to share. Is there any cloud on AWS or Azure? Anybody is working here, or like any idea? This is an interactive session. Don't mind because we need to know, right, what is what. Then only you can get the more knowledge and you can crack the job very easily. Fine.
Yeah, just we are working Azure support, application support.
Okay.
Just we are logging and supporting application, but the cloud side, it's not much idea actually.
Okay, okay. Why? Because of a lot of guys need to know about cloud computing. That is the main intention. A lot of guys don't know still now, because as per my experience, I'm looking a lot of guys. There is a lot of confusions are there. That is the reason I'm asking, is anyone is working in Azure or AWS. Otherwise, I can consider as a fresher and I can say what is the use of cloud, or why we are into cloud, all those things. Okay.
Yeah, you can go basic because me also is working, but it's in the concept still I'm not understand the concept basic.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, fine. Let me share my screen. Okay, first of all, I need to say about me. I have 16 years of experience in IT. I started with Cognizant and EDS Cital Group. Currently, I'm working for IBM. And I've been working with a lot of projects in telecom domain, healthcare, pharma, insurance, retail, storage, all those things. And my core role is into database, because we don't have the cloud computing before 15 years back. We are into core level on premises. We are working local. We are working into that. That is the reason I am into the core level into the database. I've been working with Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Percona, Postgres. We have seen right now. Okay, Postgres, MySQL. We are looking right now, but past 15 years we have that technologies. Okay, but why? Because of it may take some time to grow the applications and databases are there. Okay, fine. Now the agenda is GCP DevOps Road Map. Okay, first of all, going with this discussion, what is meant by cloud? GCP means what? It is a cloud platform. What are the competitors are there in the cloud right now? Before going to cloud, I will tell you cloud. Platforms in the market we have. I hope so. 8 to 9 years back, AWS has been started. AWS means Amazon Web Services. Same time, Azure also there, but Windows Azure, that has been failure. Then they came across with Microsoft Azure. MS, Microsoft Azure. These are a cloud. Then GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Apart of this, we have so many clouds are there. Alibaba, okay, like Oracle. These are the competitors. Lot of things are there. Lot of clouds are there, but okay, somewhat. Now, coming to discussion, we are into AWS and MS Azure and GCP. Now, what happens is, why GCP is more and more Okay. For example, I'll tell you the real-time scenario in India. 1 minute. Sorry. Okay. We are into cloud. Previously, what is the situation? What is meant by cloud? That is very important. We need to know. A lot of people are very confusion. A lot of my team has been working some services. They don't know the difference. What is the previous situation? How now we are into that. I'll give you a overall understanding about the cloud. Okay. What is meant by cloud? Why we are into cloud? Okay. What is the use of cloud? A general example I'm giving. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Don't hesitate. You can message me. I can respond immediately. Okay. Previously, I will general example I'm saying. I'm not talking about related to software. I'm normal discussion I'm talking. Keep in mind, this is my car. Okay. My car, your car, whatever may be. I purchased a car. Some car is Toyota. 10 years back, I purchased. Okay. What is the my car? I'm purchasing a car. I need to spend, something we have, right? I need to spend some money, 10 lakhs, right? 15 years back, no loan, that much of loan. We don't have that much of loans also. Okay. If you have money and you have to lend some other people, a lot of situations are there. Then slowly loans are there. Okay. 10 lakhs you need to spend. And whatever the things you need to extra fittings and all those things and tax and insurances, 2 lakhs. Okay, I'm relating to cloud computing. That's why. Okay, now what is the use of your car? You can travel Hyderabad to Pune, Hyderabad to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Chennai. Like that, you are traveling, right? Means you need to you need to spend some money for fuel, petrol or diesel, something. How much? For example, simple example, I'm saying Bangalore to Hyderabad, you need to travel 10,000 rupees. You need to spend, right? Then in between traveling, something happened, some accidents, something happened. What we need to do? You need to claim insurance or you need to spend some money, 15,000. Every year, you need to do maintenance. Okay, servicing, we'll call it as a servicing. Right. For this, 20,000. Every year, you need to pay 12,000 insurance. And you need to drive, right? Means you will become a driver for your car, right? Yeah, suppose if you are keeping a driver every month, 15,000 you need to pay. This is our yearly budget for your car. when you purchased approximately 2005, I purchased Innova, something like that. Now what is the year? Almost 15 to 20 years it's becoming. Can I use this Toyota? No, lot of models are there. Hybrid, so lot of cars are there. What you need to do? You have to buy another car. Another car, the cost is now what is the difference between this one? This much, how much? I can say at the time 5 lakhs. Now you need to spend minimum 15 lakhs. That is the situation right now. Okay, fine, right? Here you need to spend 15,000, 15 lakhs and a monthly fuel. Suppose accident, you need to spend, all headache is belongs to you. Okay, this we will call it as a older days on premises. Otherwise, we can call it as your data center. Okay, nothing but yours, right? Your car means that is my property. That is private property. Nothing but private cloud. We'll call it like a private cloud. Okay, 15 years back, like this only. If server has been down, we need to switch on. We need to go into the data center. We need to switch on that. We have some racks will be there. We need to switch on all those things. Then only it will start. Around 2005, when I am working in Cognizant. Okay. Like the days has been changing. Now we have VMware. We have that is later. We'll discuss that. VMware is virtualization. That is okay. Fine. That is also on premises. In between, this is first generation. Second generation is virtual reality, means virtual networks. We got VMware, like so many companies are there, but VMware is the famous. In between that, if VMware also, that is also yours only. That is VMware also yours only. Later on, see, this is my car, my Toyota car. You purchased all those things, paints are there. If I want to travel to Bangalore to Chennai or Bangalore to Hyderabad, I need to spend 10,000 rupees. Apart of that, I need to spend it for car, 12 lakhs, 10 lakhs, or whatever the things. And you need to keep some servicing amount and driver charges and insurance charges. That is the thing. Now, this 2005 car, can I travel in now? Can I travel now? No, right? Means it become older. I need to spend another 15 or 20 lakhs to buy a new car. That is paying, right? I don't have. Why I need to spend? Now I'll tell you another example. Another example. What is your intention? You need to travel Mumbai to Chennai, Chennai to Bombay. Oh, sorry, anywhere. Okay, Chennai to Mumbai or whatever maybe. Chennai to Bangalore, Hyderabad to Chennai, Hyderabad to Bangalore. Okay, anywhere. I'll otherwise in your city local. If you are staying in Chennai, T Nagar to Anna Nagar, Anna Nagar to Tripalkan. Suppose if you are Bangalore, Marthalli to BTM, BTM to Marthalli, Marthalli to Hebbal. Like that you can travel. Hyderabad also, SR Nagar to Madhapur, Madhapur to Gachibowli. Like that you can travel. How you are traveling now? We have a very good traveling vehicles are there. Ola, Uber, etc. Are you paying your money? 10 lakhs. Are you spending your money? 10 lakhs? No. Are you spending for fuel? No. Are you paying some accident happened for your car? Are you paying? No. Are doing servicing? No. Are you paying insurance? No. Are you paying driver charges? No. Which money you are paying? I'm traveling one location to another location. For that only you are paying. For that only you are paying. Means, suppose you are in Hyderabad, SR Nagar to Gachibowli or something. How much? 500 rupees you are paying. That's it. Your work is easy. You are traveling one location to another location. Suppose you are traveling Hyderabad to Bangalore, 5,000 rupees. That's it. Job done. Traveling, you are booking, coming to your hometown or wherever. No pain, right? That is better. Only 500 rupees. Or suppose long distance, 5,000 rupees. Which is benefited? Ola, Uber is benefited comparing to this. Lot of software engineers nowadays, these activities are doing. Even me also. I sold my car. Why we need to take risk? I need to travel one location to another location. Why? Go to the Bangalore, book one Ola cab, go one location to another location. That's it. Job done. Same situation is right now. We are into cloud computing. Who is maintaining Ola? Who is maintaining Uber? Some other third party. That is not ours. Same thing. If you want to build your application, whatever your application, the companies are there for your help. AWS, Azure, GCP. This is the things we are there. For that reason only, the cloud computing is growing more and more. Okay. Coming to that, any questions, any doubts? Okay, fine. Going back to our cloud computing. Now we are into cloud. We are, because everywhere, if you open Facebook, if you open Instagram, you can see DevOps training, AWS training, Azure training, GCP training on cloud. They are talking about cloud only. For example, you want to build any application, Zomato. For example, Zomato. In older days, what you need to do, this is my data center. I need to build one web server and application server and data server, messaging, Kafka for data processing, some other data processing, okay, Snowflake or memory, in-memory Redis, something like that. You need to build all those things in your data center only. Now what happens if you purchase? No need of purchasing also. Upfront, no need to give 10 lakhs or 2 lakhs, no, nothing. Just you mention your credit card details. Later on, once you started using, then they'll be charging accordingly. That's it. That is very easy. Suppose if you know what are the food businesses, I can say Zomato, okay, then Swiggy, I don't know other cities. And if you remember, if you know 10 years back, Food Panda is there. Just I'm giving some example. For example, I started a company like a, not I, just something. One ex guy has been started a Zomato, okay, Zomato or some application, food, something related application. What he need to do? He need to buy some servers and buy some data center related storages and air condition and manpower. All those things he need to spend more than 50 lakh rupees for his office infrastructure and office. Obviously, technically, data center related appliances, okay, Apart of that, office and staff. Okay, these the pain. Suppose that application is gone, total gone. Okay, salary is okay, fine. They did some efforts for that, but for machinery and office premises and data center premises, all loss only, right? For that reason, now if any startups are coming, they are not going to this technology. They are not going in this technology. They are going into the cloud technology. They will create one account. Okay. Who is giving cheaper? That is also one thing. Who is giving cheaper? For example, you are traveling one location to another location in one bus or whatever. What you will do, wherever that availability is, suppose one fellow is telling 100 rupees, no, that is costly. I can go with 60 rupees. One fellow is calling, I will give 60 rupees. Then you can go there and buy for that. Okay. Same situation in our market also, IT market. For example, if I want to buy one application, means I want to prepare an application, I need 10 servers, 10 applications, something related. I need some services, all those things. It cost 50,000 rupees. AWS is saying, no, Azure, I can give you 40,000. No, this is a GCP guy. I'm giving 30% of discount like that. Which one will prefer? Equality, all services are giving exactly same, but which one you are giving very minimum prices, you can go there. Same case coming back to our Azure GCP. Now what happens is GCP is giving good discounts to grow their business. In India, lot of companies has been looking into the GCP. Why? Because of they are giving lot of discounts on storages. Okay, storages means disk. We have disk, right? Already they are giving 15 GB free for everyone. How many people are there in throughout the globe? Some millions of people. They are giving 15 GB free for your account. That means look it into that. Right? AWS is giving, no. Azure is giving, no. OneDrive is there. OneDrive 5 GB they will give, only 5 GB. But GCP, Google Cloud means Google is giving 15 GB. That is the main reason the storages and a lot of things are, they are giving more discount into the GCP. That is the reason nowadays GCP market is more and more. Okay. Any doubts coming into the GCP right now? Our session is GCP DevOps. GCP you need to know plus DevOps. We need to discuss. For example, a normal, coming back to our normal discussion. Cloud means what? Cloud means all services get together, all availability is there in your cloud. For example, on premises, not on premises, I'm telling normal example because that is our intention. If you know the foundation, right, then you can able to crack the job very easily. If you say the examples in the interview, they can find out, figure out your talent. Because if you say something discussing what is that, means that is not effective. If you give proper example with layman terms, that is very useful and it will be easy to crack the job. You will get it into that. That is our intention. Nowadays, very easy to get the job. Previously, 15 years back, no smartphone at all. 1020 something is there. We need to take resume and go back to interviews, IBM or something. We need to go like that. Means not we. I'm saying about me. Okay, now it is very easy. Lot of opportunities are there. We can learn this subject. If you learn the subject very well, then automatically you can get the job easily. No need of depending on proxy. Okay. Why? We need to go with proxy. No, right? If you know the knowledge, easily you can get the job. Okay. Coming back to here. Now, just simple terms I'm saying. Okay. Simple terms I need to say. For example, this is a car. Okay. Car. Same. I'm discussing about car. Toyota. You know the car output. That's it. If you know the Zomato, for example, Zomato or Swiggy or Ola or Uber, you know anything about inside what is the services is running? We don't know. Okay. But you are enjoying the day. If you are staying in weekends, just one button, you will get the food to your home. Right? You want to travel, your friend need to call, you need to go there. Ola, one button. That's it. You are using the service, but internally what is happening, that I will tell you. Okay, in just overall, I'll tell you. In coming classes, we need to know about the GCP in depth. What is the thing? Fine. Now, Toyota car is there. To get the output of the car, what we need to do? What are the things we need to get it? Okay, what are the services you need to get it? First thing, metal has to get, right? Metal. You need some metal. Whatever copper, metal, or whatever the things. And glass. You need to get the glass. Right? Seats. Engine. Paints. Okay, tires means rubber. Lot of things get together, then only car will become. It's not a big, suppose you go to you need to construct a house. It is a big task to them. Okay. Task means lot of energy back end. Suppose if you see a movie, for example, back end, lot of efforts are there in a movie also. Simply within one word, that movie is not good, you are saying. Okay. Just I'm saying examples. We need to know about the functionality and overall the picture in our technology. Right? Now, the thing is, what happens is you need to get, then only you will get the output of a car. Same thing. Okay. Now, I need to build Zomato application. You purchased it. See, in this is a car factory. This is a car factory. In this car factory, all the things you will get together, all are available. Okay. They will see glass will purchase from Saint Globin, some engine with German company, tires with MRF, all those things, right? Right? Then only finally the car will become. Here also, same case. See, I'm talking about coming to the GCP only, GCP cloud. Here, you need to build some application like Zomato. See, metals we have, glass we have, seats, engine we have, right? Same case, you need to get your Zomato application. Means internally we have a lot of efforts are there. Means you need to create some virtual machines. Why? You need to install some Java. You need to install some database. You need to install some other applications, messaging for Kafka. Okay. Some PaaS services, and other third party like databases like MySQL, Postgres, SQL Server, Redis, Okay. Like this, we are using in the GCP cloud, and final output is Zomato. Final output is Zomato. Any doubts, anything? Now I'm coming back to GCP roadmap. What is meant by DevOps? In older days, now the naming criteria has been changed. Previously, I have involved in lot of applications, a lot of projects. Okay, so multiple projects have been worked. At that time, DevOps is nothing but a build and release. Build and release. What you are doing means you are building your application and releasing the product. That's it. Now name changes with development. Build means development. Operations. Operations who will do? Doctor will do, right? Same thing. Same thing here also. We are doing that. Who are doing? We. Okay, we means all. We need to, in our work is GCP DevOps Engineer. Okay. Before that, DevOps Engineer, you need to know development somewhat, then operations, right? Okay. For that, we need to see here, coming to this one machine to another machine, you need some communication, right? Communication. Suppose I'm talking, I don't know, somewhere where you've been connected. I hope some people may connected from Chennai, some people may Hyderabad. I also don't know, right? How we are connecting with help of Broadway network. Okay, Broadway network means I've been connected with GeoFiber. Some people will be connected with Airtel, right? These are all networking only. Broadway networks. With help of that network, we are connecting. Here also, same thing. We need to connect, right? Interrelated to one application to another application. If you see Swiggy or Zomato, looking the recipe or that whatever that food, and where food it is good or bad, you can see the rating and all those things. Then finally, you are giving a button and you are buying that. Okay, a lot of efforts are there in backend. Same communication between one service to another service, reviews one service, okay, reviews, and you are looking that whatever the food, right? That is one service, and you are doing the payment. That is one service, and then map also it will display. That is one service. All services has been divided into multiple pieces right now to process the application fastly. That is called microservices. Now we are into microservices. Why? Within 30 MB, 40 MB, your application is ready. But internally, very, very big process is going on. Okay. First thing you need to know about networking. Networking in cloud. That is the thing. First one, VPC. Then subnets. Third one, firewall. For DevOps, I'm saying we need to know about that. Then we need to create some, you need to install some Java, right? Don't worry, no coding here. Small codings. But if you know Python, that is better. But as of now, no, it's not required. Okay. You need to install some Java. You need to install some Oracle. Oracle database, or you need to install some SAP, something related, that we need to create VM instances. VM instance is nothing but your computer. Computer means your Windows, separate machine. You are connected with laptop, right? Windows 10 or whatever. In that laptop, you can install any software, right? Same case here also. I'll show you. You can do that. VM instances creation. Which operating system you need? Debian or Ubuntu. Okay. Or CentOS or Linux. Means Red Hat Linux. Okay, let it be. Like this you can, or Windows. That is the thing. These things you need to specification. Some people are asking 20 GB hard disk, 8 GB RAM. Okay, I need to interrelated with one mission to another mission. That you can do that. This is one thing. We'll call it as a compute engine. Okay. Then storage. I'm going with overview. Storage. We'll call it as a compute storage, cloud storage. This is cheaper than AWS and Azure. Okay. For example, Azure is charging 100 rupees. This fellow will charge 90 rupees or 85 rupees. Storage is a bit cheaper than all clouds. Okay. Right. You have to create storages. This is our work. According to application, you need to create in depth. You can go through the course content. I hope they can share you. Accordingly, we can see. Now, services. These are all I'm not talking about, see, we have IaaS, PaaS. These are all old method. Just I can say it is no need of these things are, you have to know, but this is common. You need to know. IaaS means infrastructure as a code. Same thing, what I told previously, you purchased a car in cloud. Okay, in cloud, you need to take your risk, right? Same case, IaaS is same like that only. Suppose you want to build your application in separate mission, you can build the mission, but they are not responsible inside the mission. What is there? What is the content? Something happened, no responsibility. That is called infrastructure as a service. Same thing, PaaS, platform as a service, means platform as a service means they are giving the platform for you. You can use it. You can use that. That is benefited. That is called storage. This comes under storage, like databases. Okay, create cloud SQL. We'll call it as a cloud SQL. Okay, cloud SQL. I told Postgres and MySQL and SQL Server. Oracle we don't have. As of now, Oracle we don't have. Why? Because of, I don't know why, because of they have communication gap between them. It is very costly. It is very costly. Nowadays, a lot of people are not looking into Oracle database. They are looking into Postgres or they are looking into MySQL only. Why? Because of these both databases are open source and open source. They are giving free. You can use it up to some extent. Suppose I need some more features, means that is different. You can purchase also. We have EDB is there. You can purchase, that is different case. In MySQL also, enterprise edition is there. Okay, in SQL Server and Oracle, it's not like that. It is very costly. Nowadays, a lot of people are not using. Suppose if you go with PhonePe, Zomato, Swiggy, okay, all applications are running in MySQL Server and Postgres databases only. Why? Because of you need to spend every year $1,000 or $1,500 you need to spend for your enterprise databases like SQL Server and Oracle. Okay, these both are free. Why I will go with this one? No, right? All features are same. For that reason, Postgres, MySQL. If you know Postgres and MySQL, that will be added advantage. Okay, like this, we have plenty of app services also there, application services. App services means, see, you can build your application. For example, you need to build in older days, what you need to do is, suppose I need some small application. Okay, small application. For example, a small website. You need to build some small website. www.com. What you need to do, small means some grocery or something like that. What you need to do, you have to build 2 VMs, instance 1. Okay, instance 1. Instance 2. Instance 3. You need to do that. Install, this is web service. Web service. This is some .NET or PHP or something. App service. Application code has been deployed. This is a database service. See, you have to build 3 machines. Then you have to interrelated. Then finally you will get the output. 3 machines, 3 suppose something happened, you web server fellow has to restart the mission, or app service something happened, this fellow has to restart. Database service has been shut down. DBA or some other people has to restart that. He has to fix the problem. Then only your application will come up. Now it's not like that. This is all. If you want to install any software, you need operating system, right? Okay, this is CentOS. This is Red Hat. This is also Red Hat or Windows also, no problem. If you are using SQL Server, you can use Windows. You need to install operating system separate and install separate services, and you have to run 3 machines. You need to spend in cloud also. Now it's not like that. We have a app services. Okay. App engine directly. Who will take care? Google will take care. These VMs and all those things internally, there is a instance will start. Instance is nothing but a computer. It will start the computer backend automatically. Who you need to spend money for that 3 computers. Here it's not like that. Computer, that doesn't matter. Computer will start internally. I'll show you that. Okay, but you are not paying for that. Only for your app engine you are paying. But app engine, if you see in AWS and Azure, all same. But here it's not like the app engine is okay. But advanced version, Cloud Run we have. Lot of people are migrating to Cloud Run. Lot of benefits are there in the Cloud Run. We need to know as a DevOps, these are the things we need to know. First thing, first you need to know DevOps means you have to cross GCP Cloud Engineer plus GCP DevOps. Both you need to know. Then only you will become a GCP DevOps engineer. Okay. Cloud engineer means what? Cloud engineer means you need to bring the databases. You need to develop the VPN, VPC networks or subnet firewalls. Firewall is not only you, GCP security engineers also will take care. Security engineers also take care. Why? Because of that is very important. They won't allow. Suppose if you open YouTube, it won't open. If you open Facebook, it won't open. Okay. You can restrict. A part of that, if you are working with MNCs or Wipro or some other Accenture, IBM, there is a internal firewalls will be there, taken care by security engineers. GCP also okay, but if it is in, but apart of that, there is a dedicated team will be there, no worries. But to crack the jobs, you need to know firewall. Very important topic for us. Okay. Cloud SQL, these are the basic things we need to follow. Apart of that, so a lot of things are there, but I'm not saying right now. DevOps, GCP DevOps, CI/CD pipeline. DevOps engineer is nothing but CI/CD engineers, I can say. CI/CD means continuous integration, continuous deployment. Okay. Means what? Previously, waterfall model is there. Waterfall means water. If fall means what? Waterfall. Once it is called water, it will take some time. Here are 6 months, 3 months, like that. Here it is not like that. If you do some change, instantly it has to happen automatically to avoid human errors. For that reason, we have DevOps. Okay. CI/CD pipeline, everywhere you can see. Anybody knows CI/CD pipelines? Okay. Normal AWS also, they are using Jenkins for CI/CD pipelines. Okay. Now, here, what he did is, we are going to discuss not Jenkins, we are going to discuss Cloud Build. Okay. What is the difference between Jenkins and Cloud? Means there is lot of differences are there. Later I'll tell you. Okay. Just I'm giving overall. I'll show you also some services. Now I want to, before that, I want to deploy my code. Deploy my code. Service control, we need to go with that, right? Okay. Service version control. We have SVN. 15 years back, we have SVN. Now a lot of Git is there, GitHub is there, GitHub, Git bucket we have, right? GitHub, Git bucket. Here in GCP, we are going to use source code repository. Okay, source code repository, we are using that. Now artifacts means what? Artifact, you need to build any exe for Java application. I'm talking like a exe, that we'll call it a jar file. With using Maven tool, you can able to convert as a jar file. Okay, Python, some tip or something we have that are stored in different repositories are there. I don't know about AWS. Here in GCP, we'll call it as a container registry and artifact registry. Don't confuse. Just like a exe files, you need to store somewhere. That's it. Here, Docker containers. Here, all containers. All means Docker containers. OS related means apt get. Yum related. Yum means apt is nothing but Ubuntu, Debian, Mint operating system. They will be handling with apt. CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, something. Fedora is separate. There they will use Yum. These updates also you can keep it in your artifact repository. Okay, OS related. Python, Go language, anything you can keep it in this repository. That is very benefited in GCP. Okay. Finally, ours is microservices. Microservices means we need to depend on microservices. Let me share that. I didn't. See, microservices, right? Every service, just like I think like this is a diagram, I'll show you. Oh, diagram is gone. Oh. This is a GitHub for Google Cloud. Okay, official Google Cloud platform. You will get all the services of your code. You can practice whatever you want. Approximately, see, 1.2K repositories are there. This is official Google Cloud platform related things. You can see here. Suppose I want to practice something like data proc. This is data engineering. Don't think like this. I want to cloud build. See, cloud build, test some examples. I'll show you. With help of these examples, you can build that. Okay, with help of this. I have a previously I'm getting this one, but they removed. Microservices, we have a good diagram. That diagram, they removed the diagram. Previously it is there. Okay, I will get somewhere else. Microservices. This one. This is the thing actually. They remove the. Okay, Later I will show you because they removed. Previously it is there. We can get some diagram. Very good diagram is there. They removed here. It is not coming actually. It is there. Sometimes while loading, it will take some time. We need to concentrate on microservices. Jenkins, behalf of Jenkins, we have Cloud Build, and for App Engines, Cloud Run. Okay. Containerization, container, we have Docker containers. Docker, that is common. For orchestration, okay, orchestration means what? If you see orchestra, music director is the orchestrator. He can do instructions to the musicians. Same here also. We have some big applications. We need to do some orchestration for your application instructions. Okay, that is the very important is Kubernetes, but we'll call it as a GKE. We'll call it as a GKE. We are discussing about GKE. Okay. GKE, these things. Finally, don't worry. All those things, very basics we can discuss. See, I want to deploy a virtual instance. I want to deploy a virtual instance, means a VM, 20 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM, 20 GB space, anything. How you can do, I'll show you. Free account related things also later I will discuss, because you can get it a free account with your Visa or MasterCard. With your Visa or MasterCard, any debit or credit. It will be having the credit approximately 22,000 for 90 days. Here you can see 22,000 for 90 days. I have 30 days remaining. Within this 30 days, you need to finish it out. Okay. After that, we can delete it. No worries. Why? Because of it will cross verify your card with 2 rupees. Okay. With help of it will verify you are a human or something like that. It will verify the card details. Okay. Later on, you have to delete your account. That is important. Nothing will happen, but anyhow, you should not activate also. Okay. If you activate after 90 days, if you missed out some services, automatically it will deduct from your account. Okay. Now I'll show you how to create. Here we need to know something like how this hierarchy will be there, right? For example, you need to build some application. Okay. You need to build some application. Application is some application. Anyhow, I'll tell you my environment. I'm supporting for UK support. My company, mycompany.com is my website. Okay. Now, mycompany.com is my website. Here, we have four teams are there. 4 teams. That is segregated like this. 4 teams. Okay. That we'll call it as a folders here. folders. Okay, what is that folders? One is America folder, EMEA, Europe, Middle East, Africa folder, APEC folder. This is Latin America folder, means South America, North America. Under this, okay, under this, you have projects. You have projects. These are all I'm not talking about, just think like these are all folders. Folders. These are all projects. Under projects, project 4, you have services. Project 1. In interviews also, they're asking these things only. They can able to identify whether you've been worked or not. From the projects, you can build your services. What services I told? What are the services? What I discussed? I'll show you. In this project, VPC networking, subnetting. I'm not talking about data centers and all those things. That is common. If you open YouTube, you will get it lot of things. Okay. Data center will be located in India, in Hyderabad, okay, in Mumbai, USA, California. So like that we have. That is different. That is okay. But we need to concentrate on the technical perspective. Firewall, Cloud SQL, Cloud Run, Cloud Build, Docker, GKE. Like this, we have plenty of things, right? Plenty of things are there. All services. Approximately how many services are there? Means 200 to 250 services are there. I'll show you right now. This is the navigation menu. See here, these are all compute engine as a service. See, VM instances, you can create an instance. What is meant by instant templates, images, like that. This is one service. Kubernetes, clusters, GKE, we'll call it as a GKE, clusters, workloads, services, plenty of internal services. This is a main service. These are all features. What are the things? Okay, if you buy a mobile, iPhone, inside we have plenty of services, right? Plenty of features. That's it. BigQuery. This is a data warehousing. BigQuery is like a snowflake. Data warehousing, it is faster. Networking, see, firewalls, IP addresses, networking, VPC networking, serverless, oh, a lot of things. Cloud Run, SQL, security, some more. If you click on more products, you can see billing, IAM, comprehensive, security. See this one. I told, right? Security, we can't go with that. Separate GCP security engineer will be there. That fellows can do. But here, very 2-3 products we need to know that KMS, we are going to see that. Some small things which is useful for our services. Suppose you want to create a database, it should be encrypted. Suppose you need to create a Cloud Run application. For that, you need to get some encryption. In that case, key management service we need to go. Like a compute engine, VMware, serverless, see, compute engine. Okay, serverless, storages, databases. Like we have 200 plus services are there in this project. in this project, I told, right? We have under the, now, sir, you may get some doubt. You have given a picture, my company, and you can see all projects only. See here. In the same project, in this project also, you have this one. In this project also, you have this one. But
see, here I have one doubt.
oh, 1 minute, let me come. In this free account, you can see here only these projects only. From projects only you can able to see below, on top EMEA folders. We can't see that. Where we can see? No, it is not possible. Why? Because of ours is a trial account. If you are a, see, this one is free trial account. Okay, free trial account. These things you cannot able to see in your normal account. But if you continue with me, I will show you this also. Why? Because of I have a application, like some application I have my own. I will show this also. If you say this internally, how I can able to create a folder? What situations you can create a folder? In free trial account, you can't create it. You can't see also. In that case, you can't, you can able to, how I can say, you can't clear the interview. Then that fellow can able to identify this guy didn't work, but I will show you that. Don't worry. Very important. Okay, there is different groups are there. What groups are there? GCP organization team, GCP network team, GCP DevOps team, GCP billing, okay, GCP monitoring, GCP logging. Okay, like this, it will be there. Organization team. This is the super level. I am into this level. I can able to, who has having access on GCP organization team, they can able to identify anything. Suppose you are into deep, one guy is there, for example, one guy is there. He is working for DevOps. Okay. Only he can able to see the DevOps things only. Can't see all those things. These are available in company organization level only. Okay, here only you can able to do all those things. Okay, this not able to. Okay. Now you can ask me the doubt. What is the doubt? What is your doubt?
No, that diagram you mentioned that folder, right? That is area wise, it's an account, right? EMA account, ABAP is account, right? Based on the account.
Yes, account, whatever. Just I'm saying like that. You can account also you can create it. No, for example, mine is a big basket application. So in that big basket, you can see here vegetables. You can make it just example. Here grocery, something not vegetable, fruits you can put it here. Grains you can put it here. Okay. Files you can put here. From there you can customize. Understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. My question is EMEA ABAC is a one account, right? This account we have customers. Project 1, project 2 is customers.
Correct. Yes, that is also okay.
Okay, that is my understanding.
Correct. What you are saying is also correct. say account means departments also you can segregate. For example,
Yes.
not only
Yes.
Department, I can say, for example, this is a Ford company. You
Yes.
can segregate production people, okay, sales people, and finance. In that, IT people also there. Like this also you can segregate. From there, suppose if you are related to sales, that project, what are the sales related projects, or he can able to see that. Okay, all those things. From this criteria, we can't, this is easy. My company and this folder level structure, it is easy. But here the problem is that here we need to know. For example, I have a project. I have in interviews also they'll be asking, I have one service here. One more service is in this one. Some database is in here. Okay, I need to interrelated. First of all, can we interrelated one project to another project? No. Is if project one project to another, this is nothing but isolated room. Suppose if you 2020, what happens if we get any corona, you need to isolate with separately in a room, right? There is no interactive between one room to another room. Same case here also. Now I want to get some food to your room, whatever maybe. A small door will be opening, then they will put the food, we have to eat, then we'll throw it out there, right? In the 2020, same case, you have to open the VPC pairing, we'll call it as a VPC pairing, and allow one product to another product, one service, another service. Okay, a lot of things are there. Okay, we'll be going to discuss. Sriman will be discussing. Like I'll create one instance here in this project. We have so many services are there. See, within fraction of second, we can create an instance. In interviews, what the things they're asking? In your environment, how many instances are there? Which type of instances are there? In that instances, what has been installed? They'll be asking these type of questions. For example, my instance is related to Oracle. Because we don't have Oracle databases in PaaS service. PaaS service means in Cloud SQL. See here, I'm creating an instance, this SQL server or anything, any data. See, you can see MySQL you have, Postgres we have, SQL server we have, but we don't have Oracle. In that case, but my application is in Oracle. What I have to do? In our environment, we have Oracle database contain 3 terabytes of data. I should migrate, but we don't have option. But client is asking, I need Oracle only. In that case, you have to install a VM with whatever requirements, whether what are the machine type 4 GB or 10 GB, you can. These things later I will discuss because very important things. Just I am giving overview. Which image means here Debian is there. No, my client is asking, see, these are all open sources. Open source also there, license also there. License we need not required to worry anything because the cloud they will take care the 10 GB or 20 GB. Okay, see how much budget? $28 per month, now 29. Okay. Allow the firewalls, whatever the things later we'll show you. What is meant by API? So many APIs are there. I'm allowing default access. It's also not required, just create it. in this VM, in this computer, this is a computer. In this computer, install Oracle database. Then that Oracle connections has to be connected to your Java application, whatever the things. Because we don't have Oracle, right? Connecting to that mission SSH. Okay, see this one. In this, sudo is nothing but a root. I'm switching to that. Oracle, you can install it. What is the size? Some commands we need to know. Some space we have given how much 20 GB, right? Yeah, available 20 GB is there. Install Oracle database. Then you can
How
start.
to select that file structure and file structure, file system structure, it will automatically create or manual will create?
A file structure will be created by automatically only. File structure, if you want to go with, you can by
Somewhere we
default
need to
only.
select, right, default file system, whichever is required. Suppose data, archiving, log, these file systems.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. This is common thing. Okay, this is a root. You want to separate, you need to add means you have to add a disk for this one. Suppose you are, I think you are a Linux guy, right? You know something.
Application only, but I have doubt. I'm asking. Okay.
Yes. See this one. Edit here.
Okay.
This is normal default OneDrive has been attached. Storage is there, right?
Yes.
Here, additional disk. Additional disk. What is the disk? Whatever you want. You said, right? Data. This is for Oracle. But here it's not, you should not give. Just I'm saying. Blank disk. Disk size is how much? 30 GB. Right?
Yes.
These things you need to create one by one. According to your project, we need to discuss about that and you can create. These are all charges will be there. Suppose accidentally you created 100 GB, the charges more. They are charging with not huge, but somewhat. Why? Because of, suppose if you accidentally you created with 500 GB or 1000 GB and install some software, then you can't reduce it. That will become a problem here. They won't allow to reduce. You may get confusion. For that reason, you have to discuss with your team and finally you can create it. Okay. Suppose it is happened, then you have to rebuild the entire structure of your server, whatever the things. Okay, this is for today. Okay, you can discuss anything. I'll stop recording or they can. Sriman,
suppose if you want to practice, if you suppose you want to practice, how to initiate? Okay, how to start that link is something. Can you explain that one? Share.
Which one?
Suppose if is GCP, I want to practice.
Yes. Okay, fine.
To go and is.
See, first thing, you create a email ID that with using any Visa or MasterCard, create an account in Google Cloud. Okay. That thing, okay, you will get 22K with 90 days of time limit. Within that time limit, you can practice whatever you can practice it on a daily basis. Once your practice has been completed, delete the services. Why? Why? Because of what is the thing we know long back we discussed is, suppose if you are traveling in car, there will be charges will more, right? Same case here also, that service you need to stop it or you need to delete it. Otherwise the charge, your credits will decreasing, keep on decreasing your credits. 22K within 10 days also it will finish it off. Okay, I'm using properly. See, 22K, 32 days are there. Still I have 9K. So sometimes I'm forgetting, but anyhow, delete the instance. That's it. Any service, if you start working on that service, you can delete once your practice has been completed. 90 days, you can use it, whatever the thing, without free of cost. No charges. Free of cost. Okay. How much they'll be deducting? 2 rupees will be deducting. That is also whether this account is genuine or not. For that reason only. Okay.
But if 22K, it will initially it will debit in our card or no?
No.
Okay, just to verify.
Nothing.
Okay.
Just it will credit in your account. 22,000 you will get in your free trial account. It won't credit. It won't debit. Okay.
Okay.
It will credit to your that GCP account. This is my account. This is not mine. One of my friend. Okay. It will get your account. That's it. 22 credit limit you will get it. 22K. It won't only, that's what I'm saying, right? And clearly 22 rupees will deduct in your account. Okay. That's it. You will get 22 credits. But some cases, last day, you have to very keen on that. 19th day or 58th day, you have to delete the account for safe side. Suppose if you don't know what is this, you activated this one. Okay. What happens is, if you don't know your services are running, it may chances you will get the deduction from your account. Google Cloud account and Google email account. That is preferred. I'm not, it won't happen, but preferred. Okay. Okay, then Sriman, I completed. You can take off.
One more question here. Hello.
Yes.
Are we going to cover any data side services?
Yes.
So can I just mention those what kind of services we are going to cover here?
See, we are going to see. Let me go with SQL, MySQL. Creation of MySQL. Any database, whichever you want, I can show you. After that, how to access this one, what is meant by how you can able to replicate. And one more very important, very important, I forgot to say, but I don't know about other institutes. I'm saying this, our institute, I'm saying migration on premises to GCP cloud. This is very important. Only migration on premises means what? On premises means your local, your data center from that databases, how to migrate the databases. MySQL, I'm showing MySQL, or if you want SQL Server also, I'll show you. Any database is fine. Okay, that
No.
we'll call it as a migration service.
I mean, for this, like we need to create the pipeline, I guess, correct?
No, not required. As of now, not required. Pipeline is not required for this one. We have a migration service is required. That is okay. Pipeline is not required for migration.
You mean DMS, database migration service?
Yes, that is okay.
Yeah, I mean, I was thinking just if you give some idea on that, like pipeline services like data flow or cloud composer, it will be good for us as well.
That is comes under data flow
I
is
know.
okay. Data
Yeah,
flow is
yeah.
why, what is the use of data flow? Suppose my database is in other premises, okay, like
Yes,
Oracle.
yes.
Oracle
Yeah.
I have. I want to migrate to MySQL. Here we don't have the chance to migrate to Oracle. We don't have Oracle.
Okay.
In that case, we need to know data flow. Am I right?
Yeah, correct. Like data flow, cloud composer.
That comes
as you
under
mentioned,
data
like
engineering, right?
data engineering. Yeah. So I'm looking for that one only.
Okay,
If
you can.
If
I
possible,
can discuss
can
that.
we?
You can discuss. Yes. Data flow. Just you can talk to Sridhar. Okay, he can guide you. I can able to teach anything because, but you can discuss that. That comes under data engineering.
Data.
Okay,
Yeah.
anyhow.
Yes. And apart
But
from that,
here,
yeah. Tell me.
Here in our discussions, Cloud
Mm-hmm.
SQL. In that Cloud SQL, we are going to see any replication.
Mm-hmm.
Replication.
Okay.
And testing, replication testing.
Mm-hmm.
And promote to standalone. All those things we are going to see.
And also one more thing, like I want to know again. So Cloud IAM is also under DevOps only, na? I guess Cloud IAM, which will be used for assigning some roles and responsibility. Yeah.
No,
that is separate part.
See, that is very important.
Yeah.
IAM is integrity access management. That comes under Active Directory, in Azure and Windows, in Active Directory is there. Creating permissions, creating users. That comes under cloud engineering. That time we are going to discuss that. That is very important.
Yeah. So can you just mention that point as well here, like Cloud IAM also?
I'm not sure, but he has to share the course. IAM is very important. Creating.
Yes. You missed that one, I guess. Yeah.
Yes. Service account, roles, permissions. Okay, this is very important. I know a lot of things are there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Very important.
And
IAM. And in this, okay, auditing it's not required. Monitoring also we need. Okay, monitoring also we are going to discuss that.
Okay. And one more question around certification side. So can you just prepare for us, like according to our certification part, like if we are considering like DevOps side, GCP DevOps. So is it possible to like discuss on that part as well, like certification side?
Yes,
because in today's days, companies are asking for certification as well.
Correct. See, in our course content, in our GCP DevOps course content, you can able to write 2 examinations like Cloud Engineer, Associate Cloud Engineer, and one more is GCP DevOps Engineer. One more is also there, GCP Database. No.
Database. Okay.
Engineer. You can write these 3. Let me show you that certification. Certifications. Yeah. See this one. In this, we are covering Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, and Database Engineer also we are covering. Okay, these security network engineer also we are covering. See, we are covering in our course content, network engineer, database engineer, not data engineer. Data engineer is different. Okay, what you are saying,
different.
Airflow and
Yes, that is
data
under
flow, data proc. Okay.
Yes.
This database engineer and network engineer, then cloud engineer. These four will cover, but you can write any one of the exam, whatever. If you are looking for cloud engineer,
No.
you can write here.
we can
If
we
you
can
are,
write it, but we need to prepare it self, na? Like so that was my point here.
You can easily write exam if you know the concept, right? It's very easy.
Yes,
It's
yes.
not a big deal.
Yeah, one more last question here. Like if I want to data side, mostly I'm looking for data side only. So is it possible? Is there any other batch or something like that?
My
So
data engineer, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, you can talk to him.
Sriman sir.
Sriman sir, you can talk to him. I am also giving, but as of now, you can talk to him. Okay. You can do. Yeah, no problem.
See, entirely it will cover Kubernetes, Docker, everything. It will cover this chapter.
Yes. It will cover Docker, Kubernetes, and IAM, Cloud Run, App Engine, and databases. Okay, in databases, all Cloud SQL, all will be covered.
What is the Terraform? It is saying that.
Terraform also we can cover, but we'll give an idea. Separate Terraform course also there. Okay. I can give 3 classes for this one. Okay. Normally, this is the thing. Now separate, if you want to specialize in Terraform coding itself also, we have GCP Terraform separate course. Okay. You can talk to Sriman, he can discuss. Here, all how to create VPN, VPC, create subnets, create Cloud SQL, create pubs, subs, create like this, you will get it all. What is meant by variable, separate course will be there. And okay. But if you know the functionality, I'm giving overall functionality, what is meant by blocks, what is meant by variables, how you can able to call. If you know that, you can able to write your own. This is added advantage. You will get something like that. Okay. Any more questions?
These classes will continue regularly, or how we can have something?
You can talk to Sriman only. Okay.
No, this is entirely university taking care of that training, or individual leads may contribute or something.
Come again?
No, this is for Jain University is taking care, right? It's providing for university, or we need to contribute or something.
No, I'm not getting what you're saying.
No, this training entirely it's contributing by university or individual student. We need to contribute. That's the cost of things.
I don't know why you can talk to, from where you came to this demo session, how you came to this demo session.
Jain University.
Okay, you came from that. Sriman, yes. Can you talk to him? I am not sure how you can make a track and you can talk to him.
Okay.
You can talk. He will talk to you.
Oh, okay. Is there in the line?
Is there? I think so. He's in mute. Okay. Because I am a trainer. I'm a trainer.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, then we can close the wind up the session.
Okay.
Sriram, I'm not sure. I can close it.